Unit 4, Lesson 9, SSH Login. The SSH command. SSH means Secure Shell. This command manages remote systems like another Linux machine, firewall, router, etc. You'll have the power to remotely control the terminals of other systems from your chair. It also has port forwarding tunnels that encrypts connections and data between two systems. User at host is the web address or IP of the remote host you're connecting to. Lastly, to execute SSH commands, the host you're connecting to must have a SSH server and ports that can receive connections. The syntax is SSH user at host. The SSH host command. The SSH host command allows you to connect to a remote host via SSH default port 22. This command tells its system to create a secure connection with the host machine. The host machine is the computer, system, or router that you're trying to connect with. This can be an IP address or domain name. The syntax is SSH host. The SSH option P command. The SSH option P command connects to custom ports. The default port for SSH is 22. But sometimes you can't always use this port, so you have to pick a different port. Use P to specify the non-default port that you'll be connecting to. The syntax is SSH option P, port, user at host. The Telnet host command. Telnet host means terminal over network. This command connects to a remote host via a Telnet server over port 23. This method is simple but not the most secure. It transfers unencrypted data, unlike SSH. The syntax is Telnet host.